A tire inflator ensures proper tire pressure, improves safety, enhances fuel efficiency, and prevents unexpected roadside emergencies. Today's video is about top 5 best tire inflators that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hafuloky Tire Inflators. This portable tire inflator stands out with its impressive combination of speed, convenience, and safety. Featuring an upgraded high-performance cylinder, it inflates tires up to 3 times faster than standard models, while the auto shutoff function prevents overinflation by stopping automatically at the preset pressure. The built-in rechargeable battery delivers reliable performance without requiring an external power source, making it ideal for roadside emergencies and outdoor adventures. Its dual LCD display clearly shows both current and target pressure, while 5 preset modes and multiple pressure units make operation simple for any user. Beyond tire inflation, it also functions as a power bank for charging mobile devices and includes a bright LED light for nighttime visibility or emergencies. Improved cooling technology keeps the device comfortable to use during extended operation, and the noise reduction design ensures quieter performance. Compact, versatile, and dependable, this inflator is an excellent choice for drivers, cyclists, campers, and anyone seeking a reliable emergency tool. Now our second product is Ipflin Tire Inflators. The Ipflin portable tire inflator is a reliable and versatile air compressor designed for convenience and peace of mind. Its powerful 30 liters per minute airflow inflates a car tire from 29 to 36 psi in about a minute, helping you get back on the road quickly. The built-in 9,600 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended runtime, while the included 12V DC power cord ensures you can continue inflating even if the battery runs low. The clear LCD display, 4 preset inflation modes, and automatic shutoff make operation simple and accurate, preventing overinflation. Its ergonomic handle and advanced temperature control allow comfortable use in both hot and cold conditions. Additional safety features, including multiple protection systems, enhance reliability. The built-in LED emergency light is a valuable addition for nighttime roadside situations. Backed by responsive customer support with replacement or refund options, this compact inflator is an excellent investment for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, bicycles, sports equipment, and emergency travel preparedness. Our third product is AstroAI Tire Inflators. The AstroAI Tire Inflator is a dependable and versatile air compressor that performs well at home and on the road. Its dual-power design supports both 12V DC vehicle outlets and 120V AC household power, making it suitable for a wide range of inflation tasks. With dual metal motors and a durable metal cylinder, it delivers fast, efficient performance, inflating a flat tire to driving pressure in just minutes. The high-volume mode is also ideal for air mattresses and other larger inflatables. AstroAI's OmniVent cooling technology improves heat dissipation, helping extend the pump's working life during demanding use. The digital display is easy to read, while the automatic shutoff and pressure memory functions provide accurate, hassle-free inflation. A built-in LED light adds convenience for nighttime emergencies, and the integrated storage compartment keeps accessories organized. Overall, this inflator offers excellent performance, thoughtful features, and reliable value for everyday drivers and outdoor enthusiasts. And our last choice is Escort Highway Radar Detectors. The Escort Max 360C is a premium, connected radar detector designed to deliver advanced protection and convenience for modern drivers. Its built-in Wi-Fi allows real-time updates, ensuring the device stays current with the latest speed enforcement threats. With dual antennas providing full 360-degree coverage, it accurately detects signals from both the front and rear, while on-screen directional arrows clearly indicate the source of potential alerts. The AutoLearn technology intelligently adapts to your driving habits, using GPS, IVT filtering, and speed-based sensitivity adjustments to minimize false alerts and improve accuracy over time. Integration with the Drive Smarter community adds live, shared alerts from other drivers, and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto enhances usability on the road. The package includes a travel case, SmartCord USB with AutoMute, and an easy mag mount for easy installation. Overall, the Max 360C combines smart connectivity, precision detection, and user-friendly design for a confident driving experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video. And our last choice is Fanttik Tire Inflators. The Fanttik X10 Pro Tire Inflator is an impressive portable air compressor that combines speed, convenience, and precision in a compact design. It can inflate an R15 tire in as little as 35 seconds, making it an excellent choice for quick roadside tire maintenance. The unique pull-to-start and push-to-stop hose design eliminates complicated controls, allowing for effortless operation. Equipped with AccuInflate technology and high-precision sensors, it automatically stops at the preset pressure for safe, accurate inflation every time. The bright display remains easy to read even in direct sunlight and includes 5 preset modes for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. Its long-lasting rechargeable battery can inflate an R15 tire up to 16 times on a single charge, while the built-in accessory storage keeps everything organized and ready to use. Compact, reliable, and user-friendly, the Fanttik X10 Pro is an excellent emergency companion for everyday drivers and outdoor enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.